Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll take you through importing points in Civil 3D. At first, so let me open the model. Have a look at our model and allow me to show you the points that I'm going to import. They're still loading. So these are the points. Close. These are my points here. Working with points, they're of different format. And for our case, just I decided to arrange them this way. The first one being point number, then the nothing, followed by these things, heights, then descriptions. But you don't have to show them to show the donations, the denominations here, like point P, N, E, Z, and D. So I'll go directly to the importing of points in Civil 3D. Okay, ideally you can use these and the file panorama, or you can use it for the tool space. What you do, you just right click on the import, then click on that import points. Give it time to load. As you can see, then you try to check on your file from where you have saved that file. Navigate through different files. So here is our file, Bodo. Click on it. Okay, then automatically you see the purpose of our points. So we just navigate through, check on the required format, navigate through slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Just try to check P, N, E, Z, D. That's how our format is denominated. Click on it. Hope you can see. Just peruse, go through keenly. I trust you can see them well. Okay, well, then you say okay. Give them time to load. So let's just do some editing here before opening our points. Click on the points. Then we need to see them by the descriptions, and you can decide whether you need the descriptions and the height and the elevations. But for our case, we shall just work with the descriptions. Say apply. Okay, then you zoom extent. So here are your points. Here are your points. Hope you can see that we have the point number, right? Point number. Then those points, they had appeared by default, so I had to clear them. Okay, like here's our points. Here are our points. I hope you can see them clearly, the point number and how they're denoted. You have SP, you have a DCP, that have been denoted differently. So it depends with the encoding. We have others who prefer giving them their own initials. We shall try to do some editings on maybe on the font size, and if you need to do so, kindly check it here. Okay, well, I think this is how we go about it. Feel free to interact with me in our comment section. Drop your comment. And thanks for watching this video. Remember to drop a like, your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to this channel, for more of this video, because I'll be dropping them on a daily basis. Stay tuned. Let's look forward. Thank you.